What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bri50 back at it with another video. I'm gonna start my YouTube channel today, I guess. I'll be going to my friend's house. This is a quick video of my Mustang GT 2020 Premium Stage 2 Roush supercharger, and here we go. I'm gonna do manual mode so y'all can hear the shifts on this joint. And don't mind the exhaust. The exhaust is kind of having some pops. I don't know what's going on with the catback. It's got some new high flow cats. So I don't know what's going on with the catback exhaust. I'm thinking about going double H pipe Corsa or X pipe Corsa because the car is already raspy to a degree. Bet you can hear it. Oh my god, my recording is horrible. I'm gonna try to do it like this. I think it's a GoPro, it's like it's hard. Put the windows down for you. Coming in, but yep, that's how it sounds full throttle. Regular active exhaust, but the charger, the engine, that really gives it all the engine. Oh my lord, all the exhaust I need. I'm sorry guys, this is first time. That exhaust you hear, that noise you hear in the cabin is just drone. It's horrible. It's good. I like drone. I'm young, 20, but that's why I like drone. But I got some mods. I got a new grill at home, new front splitter, grill front splitter. I got a Roush rear valance to put on. I got a bunch of things I got a bunch of new things I'm willing to put on my car. Got some back side skirts. Got some white side markers. I don't know guys, I might order carbon fiber side mirror pieces plus a gas cap. And I also ordered a wicker bill for my GT500 spoiler as well. But I'm coming up to my friend's house, so I'll like, comment, subscribe so I can keep this journey going. I'm trying to, I have a dream car collection. I want to send a GTR, a lot of stuff. So hopefully I can get somewhere with this. But I'll be uploading a lot. Me putting on my car parts, me going to car shows, meets. I'm supposed to be going. I might go not this week, but next week, and I'm supposed to be going to the Porsche museum that we have. Because it's supposed to be raining this weekend in Jacksonville on Saturday. So I'll be going next Saturday. Get some content for you guys, and I'll see you then. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys later.